my young scientists. We're going to do something a little different today. I have a STEM book called Anything is Possible, and it was given to us by the Foundation for Excellence. It's a STEM book, so there's a project at the end. This is the story of a sheep from the top of her hill, watched the birds fly, and thought to herself, how lucky they are. They can choose how they look at things from far away, from up close, or from somewhere in between. I can't get that page off, jeez. One day, the sheep had an idea and ran to see the wolf. I have to talk to you, she shouted. He stopped what he was doing and listened. Let's build a flying machine. Do you think it's that simple? You spend too much time watching the birds in the sky, said the wolf, shaking his head. A flying machine. Here are some blueprints. But eventually, the sheep's dream got the better of the wolf's doubts, and they started working on the machine together. Oh, that's a very complicated drawing, I have to say, for a sheep and a wolf. Whoa, nice wings on that one. Pretty. They gathered fabric and rods. Can you see that? Fabric and rods, and followed their plan that they had designed. When they were ready, they started the machine and took off into the sky. Whee! But the fabric wasn't strong enough. It soon ripped, and they tumbled to the ground. Oh, look. Oh, you see their feet in the air. Aw. Let's try again, said the sheep, and she blew up some balloons. Hold tight, she shouted. Oh, stinky pots. This time, as soon as they got the machine off the ground, birds popped the balloon. Oh, dear, cried the wolf. This isn't going to work. Oh. But they decided to try one more time. The sheep had a new idea. She got the wolf to cut out a dragon's tail while she cut out a head. Oh. This time it worked. They were flying. And steadily and surely they continued to fly. Someone once wrote that only those who dream learn to fly. See, said the sheep, what did I tell you? Anything is possible, admitted the wolf. The sky before them was wide open. So we can't really make a flying machine that we can get into, but we can make an airplane. Here's one airplane. Here's another, a blue one, and it has some really cool rainbow hearts on it. Let me show you how we're going to do this. I just dropped my book. Drat, said the cat. So, easy. If you have a long piece of paper, regular paper, and you fold it like a hot dog. Like a hot dog. And then you're going to fold this back like a triangle. You see how that's like a triangle? And then the other side, you're going to fold like a triangle. So it kind of looks like, well, here's a rectangle and here's a triangle. Now you're going to take the top of that triangle and you're going to fold it down like that. You see how I folded it in half? And then you're going to take this one and go the same way. So you see how it's long and slender? It's like just very long. Now, if you want to be fancy schmancy, that's up to you. Fold it up halfway. That little wing that's hanging over. You see how I folded that up? So it's halfway. And then on this side, you can fold it halfway. So it kind of looks like fiddlesticks and rumblenecks. Sometimes I don't even know. Let's see if I can hold it. There we go. Oh. So when you go to throw it, it may go further. If you wish, you could tape the inside there and give it a twirl outside. So that'll be your fun Friday experiment, is to make a paper airplane. Whoa! And let it go. Let's see, is that one gonna go anywhere? Not as far as I wanted. Maybe you can measure and see which one went the furthest. Measure, or you already know how to use that. Have some fun, make an airplane, use air pressure, and fly, because anything is possible. Enjoy that. Bye.